Hello everyone, welcome to Ray Tracer. The most awaited game PUBG for Android is finally arrived, and this is the English version, okay, not the Chinese version. Today I will show you how you can download the PUBG English version on your Android device and how you can set this up. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your browser, UC browser, Chrome or any other browser, and you just have to go to this website, and you have to just refresh this. I will give this link on the description. No need to be worried. Okay, you just have to refresh this. It will directly give you an download link. Okay, here you can see it's written. It's 694 MB. Just click on download, and the download will be started. So I have already downloaded it, so I won't download this again. Now what you have to do is to go to home screen, and you have to download this app. Okay, remember this one, ZR Server. I don't know how to pronounce this. So you have to download this app and click on this app. Okay, then just type on OK. Here you will find this kind of list. This is a folder of your file manager. Now go to the part where you just download. I downloaded from UC download though, so my download will be on the UC download. So click on here, UC download. Here is the file. This is the file. This one is the file. Okay, what you will have to do is you just have to click here. Okay, and you have to click on view. Okay, so as you can see, if you click on view, here you will find apk com.tsend ig apk. Okay, first you have to install this apk. Just click on open. Okay, it will extract and it will show you this kind of system, and you just have to install this. I have already done this, so I won't do this again. You just have to click on install, and first you have to install the apk. Then what you have to do is, here you can see the Android folder out here. You just click here, and here you can see the OBB. Okay, now what you have to do is you just have to press this folder for a few seconds, and you just have to copy this. Okay, just click on copy. Okay, now click on UC download at the upstairs. You can see here, and now you have to go to device memory. Okay, simple. Okay, now you have to go to Android folder. Okay, now OBB. Now paste here. Okay, just paste here the file. Just paste here the folder just we copied. Okay, I have already done this, so I won't do it again. Okay, you just have to do these simple steps, and boom, the game is installed and the game is ready to play. Here you can see the game is open. As a guest, I will click. Okay, just wait a second, and let me confirm you guys, this is the English version. Okay, and this is the official game, so there won't be any kind of bugs, and I have played this game. Wow, it's just a bug free, guys. It's not lagging, and I just played one game and it was so soft and so smooth that I love this game. Right now there is no solo and a duo option. Only you can play a square, but it's fine for us here. We will manage to play square. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. I made this video in English because I know most of international people will watch this. Normally I used to make videos on Hindi, but hope you guys understand what I said. If you didn't understand what I tried to explain you guys, you can definitely comment on the video section. Okay, bye bye, take care, love you all.